Okay, everyone. We got a stock that is now 98% on the day. This is why I want to just go over the analysis of Clue. It is, of course, a China stock. You know, a lot of stocks that do these big, outrageous percentages. Of course, this is going to be on everyone's screener, and so this is going to get a lot of attention, right? We went from 7.90 to literally 13 cents in one day. So it says down 98%. It's insane, right? So if you look at the profile, obviously Chinese, and a lot of the times that stocks that do this is going to be like your biotech stocks. These are the two categories that will do these massive drops like this. So it was heading up in here, making a nice little uptrend till all of a sudden it does that. And if you know the history of Clue, I actually played this in the past, so I know what this stock loves to do. It will do these massive move downs like this. You see how it gets up, and then look at these big massive moves down, and then eventually it stabilizes and it just keeps going down and down, but then it will start to come up and rally. This one has been known to rally when it does drop. I love this when it comes to this lower band here with time distance, as this is where you can get some really nice returns, 62% in a couple days. But excuse me. But yeah, I'm looking at this one, and I'm seeing what we should do here. Obviously, the first day, there's a couple scenarios that can happen. I'm watching the after hours here, as the most likely thing that is going to probably happen is this EMA 20 get touched. This is the 15-minute chart, and you see to this EMA 20, it is literally 168% return. That is literally insane, right? So I would look into lower time frame and be like, you know what? We know price has to come back to these EMAs. We haven't even touched this EMA 10. That is insane. So I really think that when price comes back below this EMA 5, it's not a terrible idea to literally look for a quick trade on this. I mean, look at that, 34% to this EMA 10. All price action will come back to this. Usually it's very rare for a whole day. Obviously the move is so big that it doesn't touch this. And that's why I say wait till the end of the day. I'm starting to feel a lot more success. When you wait till the end of the day, you can get one, you let all the sellers get out. A lot of people will start playing Clue literally on these big drops right here. They see it down 50, 60, 40%, literally in a couple of 15-minute candles. So they get in early, but when the market comes in and looks at the reality, they start dumping all their shares. And you can see, like, all throughout here. I mean, look at this, 50% in literally 15 minutes. I mean, look, this is the power of this lower channel here. You know, just a quick move up, that's 93% returns to that EMA 5. This is how I would look to play. I'm not kidding. You can make a literally, this is a riskier thing, but this can make you a ton of money. It's already moving up here. You can see right here, we touch this lower orb here, and we're your first target's going to be this EMA 10. I would love for price to come back down again. I'm probably going to take a little risk on here because I know price is going to come back and eventually touch this EMA 20. Obviously, it's going to keep going down as each 15-minute goes here, but we are due for this EMA 10 at the very least. So yeah, to me this looks insane. I mean, this is more of a quick in and out type of play here. I mean, who wouldn't want these kind of returns in 15 minutes? You come up, bam, you're up 100% from the lows here. Literally in 15 in 45 minutes here. So that's how I would play it. Obviously, we all know this is not a long hold. Right now, we're rejecting on the EMA 5. This is where we have been rejecting this whole time here. We come to the 5, to a T, come down. 5T, come down. And then we're kind of just stabilizing. As you look at the daily candle here, I would not swing trade this yet. For my swing trading strategy, you have to let these play out more and more. So we need time distance from the EMA 5. You see on a lower time frame, I showed you like how price reverts to the mean in a lower time frame. Well, on a daily candle, we need to see, hey, price is going to come back to this EMA 5. Is it going to come back from here to here in one day? No, that's 3,000%. This is how big of a drop this is. Let me show you guys. All the way up to here, if we came back up to the highs, that's a 5,940% drop. That is literally the best dead cat bounce I think we're going to get here. I think this is a very good thing. I really think, like, if you really want to, play a small cap beaten down stock, this is the one I would trade on the lower time frame here. So let's see if we get to these lows here or this lower band. I think after hours is going to cool down some, but yeah, at the very least, you're going to come up to this now here, but you know, from this lows here, you can see, you know, you're already going up to 32%. You have this next target, which is way up in here. So it's good to see like, hey, we have another target here. We have this EMA 10 coming here. So I would take advantage of this after hours now that price has settled down, and everyone that bought this early, they got wrecked. Remember to always buy at the end of the day, especially when stocks that are going down big time, because algo's going to keep going and going. And then what happens is they let it cool down after hours. You see how it's cooling down, and price is going to come back up to this EMA 10. When you see price hitting this EMA 5, that's a good indication like, okay, we're probably going to reject down from there. So, and that's what's happening on this 5 here. We're kind of getting some resistance, but like I said, we're so due for this little area here. If you want to get a fast gain, this is the stock to do it. But as far as swing trading, be very wary of this. I can't use the daily chart here. Remember, big gaps like this, I had to give it way over 7 days. I need to give it 10 daily candles, not touching this EMA 5, and we can re-improvise this for a swing trade. But as of now, this is a quick in and out type of play. You can see in the back test when it went way below here, obviously that's market hours. It's going to be more volatile. You made 100%, but there's no doubt that we're going to touch this 10 very soon. Okay, guys. Every time frame reverts to the mean. Okay, we can look at smaller and smaller time frames. What happens? We have the 5-minute time frame. You see how we haven't touched this EMA 20? Price comes back down. It touches it, comes away from it, and then it starts to work its way up. Why are we rejecting right here? Because this is an algorithm on a 5-minute time frame. I love the 15-minute the most. It gives you more wiggle room, but that's really what's happening is on each different time frame, you got to understand we're going to work our way up. If you go too high of a time frame, then it just takes too long. Look at the 30-minute. You see how, you know, you have the 10 and the 20 here, so you have more room. I love the 15-minute. It's just perfect. It's not too short. It's not too long. And you can see how, you know, where price is going to come up here. So I like this thing for a dead cat bounce. You know, dead cat bounce material, this is the one. Usually when you see stocks down 98%, you get a nice pretty dead cat bounce. And like I said, this thing was down, it's technically down way more. I mean, like I said, to come back all the way up to the highs, you're looking at a 5,976% gain. That's how big of a drop it really is. But they're not going to say that. So it's down 98%, pretty much lost all of its value. So that's how I would use it. 15-minute chart. Daily chart, we're going to wait about a week and see where this is landing up, and we're going to try to get that daily to the EMA 5. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, see my alerts, see when I look to get in and all that good stuff, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. When you click that link, it will take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe, and then just click this day trade alerts icon right here, or you can just click it over here. But when you click this day trade alerts here, it'll ask you to subscribe for $12 a month. And this is going to be a special promotion where it'll never go up. You'll be grandfathered in for $12 a month, and that is the fee forever. But what you're going to learn is 2 awesome strategies. You're going to learn my day trading strategy, which is my absolute favorite strategy that I make money every day, and my swing trading strategy on how do I look to find one, trading against the trend, or trading with the trend. I love both strategies. They're both really nice. And as you can see how algo's right here, it's looking absolutely beautiful. This is your buy zone. All out in here. Anytime price comes in here, this is where you buy clue right here. So I'm going to see, I'm taking a trade here. You know, I got in some here because I saw this. I was like, holy crap, you know. But this is the power of waiting until the end of the day. At the very minute, that's when the sellers start to die out. And then you're going to get a big explosive candle here, in my opinion. So keep your eyes on this. 17 cents is coming up real fast. But yeah, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll take you to the free chat landing page. Hit day trade alerts. You get access to everything. All-time low cost. You'll be grandfathered in. $12 a month. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you do have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer. And it's only $12 a month. You guys are going to love it. It's going to be very effective. You're going to win a lot. You're going to have actual knowledge of how to trade. You're going to get alerts on the systems that work. But it's pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. That's my analysis on Clue. This is how I would trade it on a lower time frame. Peace out and happy trading.